Here I have OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tap on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for it here. You can add exceptions to this mode. It could be favorites or contacts or from nobody. You can add apps to exceptions. You can also set this ring for repeated calls feature. Repeated calls from the same number within 3 minutes will not be silenced. Silence media when Do Not Disturb is on. And yeah, these are all your Do Not Disturb settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.